Do you feel like every step is getting heavier? That your once strong, steady legs now feel weak, tired, and less agile? Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt off balance, like your legs no longer belong to you? If you've experienced any of these, then it's time to take a serious look at your leg muscle health. The truth is, after the age of 60, our bodies begin to lose 1 to 2% of muscle mass every year, a condition known as sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. And the leg muscles are often the first and most visibly affected. Not only does this lead to weakness and instability, but it also significantly increases the risk of falls, one of the leading causes of disability and even death among older adults. According to the World Health Organization (WHO), over 30% of people over the age of 60 suffer from this condition without even realizing it. Why? Because muscle loss happens silently, but its consequences are anything but. Weak legs, difficulty walking, poor balance, and the loss of independence are just the beginning. Even more concerning, when leg muscles weaken, it doesn't stop there. The circulatory system, nervous system, and joints are also affected, creating a ripple effect throughout the body. What's even more surprising, many people overlook one of the most critical factors in muscle health: nutrition. It's not just about protein. Essential vitamins play a powerful role in protecting and rebuilding muscle strength, especially in the legs. Recent studies have shown that a deficiency in certain vitamins can directly reduce the body's ability to synthesize muscle protein, leading to weak muscles, aching knees, and a much higher risk of falling. On the other hand, when you get the right vitamins in the right amounts, your body can rebuild muscle, boost strength, improve flexibility, and keep your legs strong and stable as you age. So, which vitamins are truly the secret weapons for maintaining strong leg muscles in older adults? And more importantly, how can you get them naturally from everyday foods without relying too much on supplements? In today's video, we'll explore the essential vitamins that help repair and protect leg muscles, how each vitamin supports your muscles and mobility, the best food sources of these vitamins to include in your daily meals, and a simple meal plan suggestion to help you absorb them effectively. Let's begin this journey to protect your legs. Because your legs are more than just a way to get around. They are the foundation of freedom, independence, and joy in your golden years. And it all starts with one small step: adjusting your diet today. Imagine your body as a machine, and your legs are the two wheels that carry you everywhere. But if those wheels are no longer sturdy, then no matter how powerful the engine is, the machine will still run into trouble. Taking the right vitamins is how you maintain that aging machine every day. Now, let's dive into each specific type of vitamin. Vitamin D, a source of strength for bones and leg muscles. Vitamin D doesn't just help with calcium absorption. It also plays a key role in maintaining muscle strength. When the body lacks vitamin D, it can't synthesize enough muscle protein, leading to weaker leg muscles and reduced flexibility. According to research from the U.S. National Institute on Aging, older adults with low vitamin D levels are twice as likely to experience falls compared to those with adequate levels. Dr. Michael F. Hollick, a leading vitamin D expert at Boston University School of Medicine, explains that maintaining stable vitamin D levels in the blood can help reduce muscle weakness, improve mobility, and significantly lower the risk of fractures in the elderly. He also shared that many of his patients saw a noticeable improvement in leg strength, better balance, and less fatigue simply by increasing their vitamin D intake the right way. You can get vitamin D naturally from sunlight. Just 15 minutes of morning sun exposure is enough. You can also boost your intake through foods like salmon, egg yolks, vitamin D fortified milk, or mushrooms. Next, let's look at another essential, but often overlooked, vitamin. Vitamin B12, preventing imbalance and muscle weakness. Vitamin B12 is crucial for maintaining proper nerve function and producing healthy blood cells, both of which play a key role in mobility and muscle health. B12 deficiency is common among older adults and can lead to numbness in the legs, muscle fatigue, and even unsteady walking. Dr. Martha Claire Morris, a geriatric nutrition expert at Rush University, explains, "A lack of B12 doesn't just affect memory, it can also disrupt motor control, making seniors more prone to falling without understanding why." Studies have shown that supplementing with vitamin B12 can help improve walking speed and reduce leg numbness. To get more B12, prioritize foods like liver, beef, eggs, milk, and yogurt. If you're vegetarian or vegan, consider taking a B12 supplement under the guidance of your doctor. After the nervous system, it's time to talk about the system that protects muscles from aging. Vitamin E, protecting muscles from age-related decline. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin E helps shield muscles from damage caused by free radicals, one of the key contributors to muscle wasting. Vitamin E also boosts blood circulation, allowing leg muscles to function more efficiently. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed adequate amounts of vitamin E had better mobility and muscle endurance compared to those who were deficient. Dr. Linda Van Horn, a nutrition expert at Northwestern University, adds that vitamin E may also help prevent muscle inflammation and keep the muscular system running smoothly. You can find vitamin E in foods like nuts, especially almonds and sunflower seeds, avocados, olive oil, and leafy green vegetables. After building up the protective layer, it's time to strengthen the connections within. Vitamin C, boosting collagen, production, and muscle recovery. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen synthesis, a key component of connective tissues and muscles. It also helps reduce inflammation and muscle soreness after physical activity, making it especially beneficial for older adults. According to clinical nutritionist Nancy Clark, collagen is the structure that keeps your body flexible, resilient, and stable. A lack of vitamin C causes connective tissues and joints, especially in the legs, to weaken more rapidly. A study published in the British Journal of Geriatrics found that seniors with higher blood levels of vitamin C had greater muscle mass and strength compared to those with lower levels. To get enough vitamin C, load up on citrus fruits, strawberries, red bell peppers, and leafy greens. Next, let's talk about the vitamin that helps your body repair itself when muscles are in trouble. Vitamin A, muscle cell regeneration. Vitamin A is not only essential for vision, it also plays a key role in regenerating and repairing muscle tissue. In older adults, the muscle repair process slows down, making it harder for the body to heal micro tears in muscle fibers. Over time, this can weaken leg strength. Dr. George King, Director of Research at the Joslin Diabetes Center, explains, vitamin A promotes cell division and muscle tissue repair, helping improve the overall health of the musculoskeletal system. This function becomes especially important during recovery from illness, periods of inactivity, or injury. You can get vitamin A from foods like animal liver, carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and dark leafy greens. However, be cautious with high-dose supplements. Too much vitamin A can be toxic to the liver. Now let's look at a vitamin that supports blood clotting and strengthens your bones. Vitamin K, supporting bone health and preventing leg osteoporosis. Vitamin K plays a vital role in activating proteins involved in blood clotting and calcium metabolism, both essential for strong, healthy bones. In particular, vitamin K2 helps direct calcium into bones instead of letting it accumulate in the blood vessels. According to research from Maastricht University in the Netherlands, older adults who get enough vitamin K2 have higher bone density and a significantly lower risk of fractures compared to those who are deficient. This is especially important for the bones in the legs, the primary load-bearing structures of the body. Dr. Sarah Booth from the U.S. Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging explains, vitamin K isn't just about clotting. It's a silent hero that keeps bones strong, especially around the hips and thighs, areas most prone to fractures during falls. You can find vitamin K in green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli, or from natto, a traditional Japanese fermented soybean dish that's rich in vitamin K2. And finally, we have a mineral that plays a vital role but is often forgotten. Magnesium, smooth muscle function and cramp prevention. Magnesium is essential for nerve signaling and maintaining proper muscle contraction and relaxation. In older adults, magnesium deficiency can lead to muscle spasms, cramps, and balance issues while walking. Research from Harvard University has shown that low blood magnesium levels are linked to reduced muscle mass and strength in the elderly. Notably, those with adequate magnesium levels tend to have better balance and experience fewer nighttime leg cramps, a common issue among seniors. Dr. Carolyn Dean, author of The Magnesium Miracle, states, magnesium is a multitasking mineral. Not only does it help muscles relax, it's also involved in over 300 biochemical processes in the body, including maintaining muscle tone and regulating blood pressure. You can boost your magnesium intake with whole grains, pumpkin seeds, almonds, black beans, and bananas. A glass of magnesium-rich mineral water is also a great option for older adults. After learning about these essential vitamins, one thing becomes clear. Nutrition doesn't just affect your weight or blood pressure. It's a key factor in the strength of your legs, your ability to move, and even your independence as you age. These vitamins aren't just nutrients, they're silent heroes, helping your body push back against the natural course of aging steadily and effectively. Supplementing them isn't just about repairing muscle function. It's about preparing yourself to live actively, stay independent, and enjoy a higher quality of life every single day. Imagine being able to keep up your morning walks, climb a few steps with ease, or take your grandchild to the park. Simple things, but truly priceless. And it all starts with what you choose to put into your body each day. So now that you know which vitamins matter most, what's your next step? How can you turn this knowledge into real, practical action? We often think of heart disease, blood pressure, or memory when it comes to senior health. But your leg muscles are the foundation of freedom and independence in daily life. When your legs become weak, everything, from walking and doing housework, to caring for yourself and enjoying your favorite activities, suddenly becomes more difficult. But here's the good news. You can change that starting today, right from your own kitchen, by simply making smart adjustments to your diet and ensuring your body gets the right vitamins and minerals. You can not only prevent muscle loss, but also regain strength, flexibility, and confidence in every step you take. Vitamin supplementation doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. You can improve your leg health right in your own kitchen through well-planned vitamin-rich meals. No matter your age, it's never too late to start taking care of your feet. Remember, age is just a number, and you have the power to take control of your body at any stage of life. So take care of your legs as if you're taking care of your life itself, with attention, love, and timely action. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found the information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your loved ones. And feel free to leave a comment about any changes you've made to keep your legs strong and healthy. See you in our next video on senior health and wellness.